A stunning 3-level modern home offering breathtaking views of the ocean, Brigantine Bay, and Atlantic City awaits for you in New Jersey. Welcome to Wander Atlantic City. I'm Lila, and today I'll be showing you around this stunning 5-bedroom home that sleeps up to 12 guests, 5 bathrooms, a heated in-ground pool, a relaxing hot tub, a ping pong table, an elevator, and a rooftop deck offering 360-degree views. Now, let's head inside. This open concept living room is sophisticated with its modern, airy design and abundant natural light streaming in from the floor to ceiling windows. These stylish gray sofas and contemporary armchairs with wooden accents create a chic and inviting atmosphere. The centerpiece of this living room is the sleek fireplace that adds a touch of warmth and elegance. For entertainment, there's a large wall-mounted flat-screen TV so you can relax and enjoy all of your favorite shows. On the other side of the fireplace, another sofa and flat-screen TV offers additional leisure space, making this the perfect living room to hang out with family and friends. This open-plan gourmet kitchen is a dream with marble countertops and a matching backsplash. It boasts high-end stainless steel appliances, but the best part about this kitchen is the Renato wood-fired pizza and bread oven, perfect for some artisan dishes. The custom cabinetry blends dark blue and warm wood tones, complemented by a spacious pantry, commercial-grade sinks, dual dishwashers, and even a full-size built-in wine fridge. A separate prep kitchen adds extra space, but if you want a break from the cooking, our Wander Concierge can recommend the best private local chefs to cook you a delicious meal. Dine at the main dining table with seating for 10, in the second dining room with seating for 6, or casually at the kitchen island with stool seating for 3. You can also dine al fresco on the patio as well. The primary bedroom is a bright, beautifully designed space with an open, airy feel. These floor-to-ceiling windows offer gorgeous views of the greenery and urban skyline, making every morning feel like a dream when you wake up in this plush, king-size bed. The wooden console offers a flat-screen TV perfect for relaxation and entertainment. The room's minimalistic design, including a stylish armchair, enhances the serene ambiance. The primary bathroom exudes luxury with its sleek, minimalistic design. This light-toned vanity adds a soft touch, and this green tile wall around the soaking tub creates a spa-like experience. The bidet adds a touch of European flair, making this bathroom a peaceful and serene retreat. The walk-in shower, complete with a glass door, a built-in bench, and a rainfall shower head, elevates the experience. Every Wander bathroom is stocked with luxurious amenities, including hand-picked shampoo and body wash, carefully curated to exceed your expectations. For your convenience, we've also included plush towels, robes, and slippers. I know my favorite part of a Wander stay is unwinding in my robe at the end of the day. Every Wander bedroom is designed to elevate your sleep experience, ensuring that you sleep even better here than at home. Our state-of-the-art technology makes sure that you wake up feeling well-rested. With smart mattresses, you can customize your comfort level, choosing between plush or firm for a perfect night's sleep. We've even included wireless phone chargers next to every bed, so you never have to worry about forgetting a charger. The home features 4 additional bedrooms, 2 with queen-size beds, another room with 2 queen-size beds, and 1 more with 2 twin beds. With plenty of space and privacy, this is the perfect stay for larger groups. If you're looking for some fun family competition, the main floor here features a full-size ping pong table. That's the interior of this incredible home, but there are a few other things that will enhance your experience that you should know about. One thing to note about this home is that the minimum rental age is 25, ensuring that all guests have an enjoyable and responsible experience. Outside, the patio offers the ultimate relaxation experience with the large heated in-ground pool and a hot tub. After a refreshing swim, stretch out on one of the 4 lounge chairs, perfect for soaking up the sun. Just steps from the pool, there's a cozy outdoor seating area, complete with an umbrella, a table for dining, and a grill for cooking out with family and friends. Enhance your family vacation with Wander. Let us supply you with must-have children's items like cribs and high chairs, so you can free up some valuable luggage space. If you're wondering the best way to get here, the closest airport to Wander Atlantic City is Atlantic City International Airport. Airport, located 18 miles away or just a 25-minute drive. Another option is Philadelphia International Airport, located 70 miles away or an hour-and-a-half drive. We highly recommend getting a rental car during your stay or opting for an Uber or Lyft. Ever feel overwhelmed with what to do during your stay? Our Wander Concierge is here to help. There's also a travel guide you can watch right after this that tells you all the best things to eat, see, and do in the area. Need more specific help? Our Wander Concierge is available 24/7 for all your needs. Simply text them at the number here anytime with questions. At Wander, we believe that life's special moments, such as weddings or family gatherings, are meant to be celebrated together. Our properties offer the perfect backdrop for these occasions. Whether you're planning a dream wedding, a bachelor or bachelorette weekend, or a milestone family reunion, Wander allows you to create unforgettable experiences. Visit wander.com/events to find out how you can make your next celebration extraordinary. Thanks for joining me at Wander Atlantic City. We can't wait to welcome you. Now, let's explore the surrounding area because there is a lot to do around here. Head to our travel guide to learn all about it.